Hi guys, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you how to clean head cleaning on HP OfficeJet Pro 9013. So the reason is because this printer is not printing where it's printing like this. So some words are cut. But anyway, I did that and it's no more doing that. So I want to show you some of the previous pages. Let me see if I can get them. You see, it could print like this. You can see, put a line in that. You get me? Sometimes it's so bad. The previous ones were bad, but now after doing all that, it became like this. You see, there's no line, nothing. So let me show you the procedure on how to clean that. Just touch here. Okay, it's done. You go back here home. Click on this settings button. No, not on the Wi-Fi setting. On settings, you can see settings, then you can see go, no, say general setting, proxy, and no, this is wrong, I'm wrong. Settings, click on that settings. So you see preferences, whatever, then you scroll up, you will see somewhere you say maintenance, right? Okay, cartridge information, printer maintenance. You click there, you'll say head cleaning. You do the head cleaning and say continue. Wow, that is fine. It's done. So if you find that it's not right, mine is right, what you do, you say clean again. Good. So once you, if you're not happy, you clean again, but I'm happy. So what I'm gonna say done, but then you can say, I'll say head. It says align the head. Align the print head. You can click there also, then say continue. So that's the thing. Once you're done, your printer should give you good copies. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. But also it can work to similar series of this same printer, right? Okay.